Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn 5 useful tips in Microsoft Word which can improve your productivity while you are working in Microsoft Word document. Tip number 1 is we can use some function like we use in Microsoft Excel. We can do the same thing here also in Microsoft Word. So let me explain you how we can do it. So let's say if you want to sum two numbers, we have here this number and we want to plus this number and we want to get one output of this. So we can simply put equal to here, then we can select this and we can press Ctrl F9. Okay, as you press the Ctrl F9, curly bracket will be applied. Now you can press F9, only F9 to get your output. Here we are getting the sum of these two numbers, or you can press right click and update field, then you will get the answer. You can sum the numbers in the table also. So let me quickly insert a table here to explain this. I'm taking two columns and I'm inserting this table, let's say, and here I'm putting name and I'm putting here salary. Okay, and I'm putting here few name and here I'm taking total. Now you can do the total here by simply putting the curly bracket by pressing Ctrl F9 and put here sum, and in the bracket you can mention above, because if we want to sum of all numbers available above of this formula. Okay, and now simply press F9. You will get the sum of these all. Even if you will change some number here, let's say I'm putting here 10,000. Now this number should be changed, so you can simply right click and press update field, then you will get the latest number. Or you can press F9 also, press F9, you will get the latest number. Similarly, if you are adding it from left to right, you can mention in place of above, you can mention left. Okay, I'll show you the tip number 2. Let's say if you want to enter some random text in your document, then how you can do it? We can use here rand function. Put the formula equal to rand, R-A-N-D, and just put the brackets and just hit the enter. So we have some random text here. Basically we have here 5 paragraphs. In each paragraph we have 3 lines. We can change this method using again rand function, and first we can provide how many paragraph we want. Let's say I'm saying I want 2 paragraph. Each paragraph should have 5 lines. So we can put comma 5 and just enter. So we have 2 paragraph and you can see each paragraph has 5 lines. Similarly, let's put again rand and you can mention here we need 3 paragraph, put bracket, we need 3 paragraph, comma, each paragraph should have only 1 line. Let's close the bracket. So we can see we have 3 paragraph, each paragraph have 1 line. Okay, this was the tip number 2. Now tip number 3 is if you are reading some document, go to the view and here we have read aloud function. The system can read your document. So here you can click on read aloud. Wherever your cursor is available, it will start reading your document.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You
can pause it from here, or you can click on next from here to move to the next paragraph. Here you can see, or you can close it, or you can go to the previous paragraph also. You can click on setting also to change the voice speed, and you can change the voice also using this one. Just click and here you can take Ravi or Hira. We have 2 voices here. Just select this and just click. So here you can see it is male voice and you can choose the female voice also. You can change the speed also. Let's say you want to make it faster. It's too much faster, but you can adjust this accordingly. Too slow. Designs that complement. Okay. So you can adjust this accordingly. I'm just keeping it on 1x only. I think that is good. It will read 160 word per minute. Alright. Now let's move to the tip number 4, and that is you can use speech to text. This was the text to speech function. Now the next step is you can use the speech to text. If you want to type something, and you can simply speak that and Microsoft Word will type it automatically. Let me show you. To use the speech to text, let's close this first and then go to the Home tab, and here we have Dictate. Okay, so you can click on Dictate and you can start speaking. So I'm speaking here. My name is PK. I am a Microsoft certified professional. I have around 15 years of experience in the data analysis and the other fields. So here you can see it has written whatever I speak. So you can speak fast and it will start writing rather than typing manually. You can save time and effort using this feature. Now let's move to the next step, that is add the watermark to your document. So let's say if you have created some document, you can add your watermark there. To add the watermark, you can go to the Design tab, and here we have the watermark option. You can add the watermark. We have some predefined watermarks here like confidential, like in this angle or here, or do not copy like this. Then you can see it will appear here. Whenever you will take the print of this, that watermark will appear. Alright, and you can customize the watermark. Let's say I want my own watermark, I don't want to take it from here, so you can use the custom watermark. If you want to add the picture watermark, you can select the picture also. Let's select a picture, and picture you can take from the online file, or you can take it from OneDrive or from your system. Let's say I'm taking from my system. I'm taking, let's say, this Excel icon, and you can choose here the scale, and let's click on OK. Here you can see that icon is appearing as watermark. Let me put in the print preview mode, then you can see that. Alright, so you can put your own picture or you can put your text, whatever you want. Use the text watermark in place of this ASAP. Let's say I'm putting here PK, and size you can define what size you want to put there, and here you can select the layout also. You want to keep it horizontal, you can keep it horizontal. So let me put in the print preview, and you can see the watermark. Alright, so that is how you can use these tips to improve the productivity in Microsoft Word. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.